Continue, number 19. Even tzitzis tassels that become invalid and were therefore are removed from tallis should not be thrown directly into the garbage. Right, so that's okay. Continuation. So not directly into the garbage, because that would constitute this degradation of the mitzvah, meaning the tzitzis themselves. So tallis you can put it like in plastic bag and put in the garbage. There is no problem. It's like it's only a garment, but tzitzis you cannot. Okay, continue. There are those who are punctilious to store such a tzitzis in a sefer, holy book, and make out of them bookmarks for the sefer. Meaning they try to reuse the mitzvah, right? So continue using as a mitzvah. For since a mitzvah was done with these strings one time, it is proper to have another mitzvah done with them as well. So if that's what the person wants, he can use it, no problem. Even a tallis garment that become worn and no longer wears it for a mitzvah, even though it was not part of the actual mitzvah itself, as were the string, he should not use it for a degrading purpose. So meaning, so if you have tallis and it become worn and it's like holes or whatever, it's not good. So you cannot just throw it in the garbage or cut it in pieces and wash your car with it. It's not good. Okay. Cannot make a rags out of it. For example, degrading use would be used for a wipe mud from one's feet. Okay. It may be, however, be thrown directly into the garbage. But it says directly to the garbage, but we try to like still respect it, still with a kippah. If you have like worn out kippah, so don't throw it in the garbage. Put it in a plastic bag, like respectful.